So what up guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do a basic troubleshoot for your Outlook problems. First method is you're going to have to go to settings, click on settings. Now that should give you a list of options to your left pane. You're going to have to select apps and then click on installed apps. Now search for Outlook, just type in Outlook. Alright, oh okay, perfect. So yep, there you go. So once you have the app name listed, on the far right you're going to see three dots. Click on that, select advanced option. Now it's going to ask you for your admin user ID and passwords. Go ahead and key that in. Now it will throw you in options which will help you reset, repair, or uninstall the application. So I'd suggest you first repair or then reset, then relaunch the app, and that should resolve most of your Outlook issues. If that doesn't fix, you can follow the other method. That's going to be going to control panel. Just search for control panel. Now there are a lot of things in here, so you straight away go on to search to your top right, type in mail. Now it will throw you an option, Microsoft Outlook Mail. Click on that. Perfect. Now once you click on email account, that should give you a specific account which is linked with your Outlook client app. Click on that, remove it, re-add the account, and that should resolve most of your Outlook issues. Alrighty guys, I'm not going to remove it. My Outlook is working fine, and don't worry, it's not going to delete any of your emails or data on the app. Alrighty, if you like the video, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.